in this section, we will try to understand what is broken authentication is. Okay, simple broken authentication is a function related to authentication and session management. What happened when you implement this thing incorrectly? An attacker can compromise your credentials, your password, your session tokens, okay, and take over the account, and get some sensitive detail like username and passwords of other users or accounts. This attack can lead to something like automatic attack like credential stuffing. I have list of passwords, okay, username. I can actually use one of them credentials to gain access. Brute force attack. Brute force attacks like I can get access inside someone's account using brute force. What is brute force? Like for example, I have username. Okay, there's a username field and password field. Okay, and I have a list. Okay, list. What type of list? That list is called dictionary. Dictionary. Okay, and that dictionary contain username. There's a username dot text which contain list of all the tag username, and another one is contain password dot text. This one contain list of all the passwords. Okay, what I will do, I will go inside the section of username list and the section of password list. Okay, I will insert the password dot text in the password field and username dot text in the username text field, and it will actually start attacking the field one by one. How? It will start entering the username and password and will check what type of response it is getting from the web browser. If the username is Manish and the password is Manish1234, my list, my brute forcing tool will allow me to test all the username and password, and whenever it will hit the correct password from the list, it will give me access and it will send me that HTTP okay response. Let's see in practical how we can do this. Okay, and what are the reason we can do this and how to prevent such attacks. In the next section, we will see a website and we'll try to brute force login panel. Okay, so again, we are here. We are going to test the login panel of this website. Let's see with the login. This is the sign up section. Username, password. I don't know the username and I don't know password. A hacker will not know that. Okay, what he will do? A burp suite. I will start my burp suite. Community edition. Just for demo purpose, we will use community edition, but for the best speed and attacker will use pro edition. But let's see. And I will start proxying this your web page, and at this section and this section, okay, in the username and password. Okay. Let it start. Okay, let's go to proxy. Open the browser.
Hello.
This is where I'm entering the URL and see we are able to proxy the website, but we are not here to understand the burp suite. We are here to understand how the broken authentication can work. Okay, let's disable it for now so that the web page can be open. Go to sign up section, and let's now the attacker will open the capture, start the capture, and I will enter some random username and password. Okay, username test, password wrong. Okay. I will press login. See, this is the field where the password is going. Okay, I can see the password here in plain text, but that's a different part. But let's see, how can someone brute force this field? I'm gonna brute force this field. Okay, I'm sure about this username. If the attacker doesn't know the username also, he has to put the username.txt file here. I will move this to intruder. This is, we are seeing from a hacker point of view. Okay, let's go to intruder. Okay, this is the website. Position is the actually the position of the input field, whether it is username or password. Okay, so we are going to add the position for this. Okay, this is where we are going to attack. First, clear all the field, and now let's add this in position. Okay, click add. Okay, go to payloads, simple list. That means I'm going to provide a list of password. The most common password list a hacker can get from rockyou.txt. So this is the main part of our attack, where hacker can grab the list of already dump and credential list, password list. Okay, this is the list. I can download it and insert inside that burp suite. Let me download. Okay. Okay, this is the rockyou.txt file I have stored here. Let's copy the directory and load and the password.txt file. Okay, rocky.txt file going to take a lot of time to load, so I'm going to just take input for a simple list of password. Okay, so let's grab the simple password list which is inside download folder. Pass.txt. Okay. Okay, the password loaded and start the attack.
साला यहाँ हुआ ना सब बजट लगेगा वहां से खा लिया तेरे बाप की एजी की तलची मारूंगा
And start the attack. And it is gonna test all the password with username test and with the password list test. Okay, sorry, password list which I have provided. Okay, and whenever it will hit the correct password, the length should be changed here. So why it is something a bug? Because there should be a limitation. There should be a limitation with the password, how much the person can actually try. Okay, how many times the person can try a password. So yes, there is no limit for that. So that is something a bug. Okay, that is something a non-issue, which is a broken access authentication. So this can lead to some unauthorized access to someone else's account. Okay, how to mitigate? Implement limitation. Okay, how many times someone can actually insert a password. Okay, do not let the user use the default password, default username. default settings. Do not let them use something related to their birth date or something which is related to them. Okay, so this is broken authentication code, which come under A2 in the list of OWASP top 10. Thank you. We'll meet in the next section.